Hi everyone. Welcome to the Game Level channel. Today I want to introduce the AnyViewer software. AnyViewer is actually a remote desktop software for Windows. By using AnyViewer you can get remote access to work computer. Transfer files between local and remote devices. Fix technical issues without being on site. And play PC game from elsewhere. Well, open your browser to download AnyViewer for free. Type AnyViewer.com. Click on Download Freeware. Click on Free Download. Open the setup file. Click on Install Now. Click on Enjoy Now. Also, you can benefit from more features such as higher speed, 24-hour support, high-speed file transfer and many other features by referring to the pricing section and selecting professional and enterprise plans. Now open AnyViewer on the other computer for remote access. Enter the device ID in the local computer. Check the remote control option and click Connect. Here you can choose Send a request to your partner and also input security code. I choose the first option. Click on OK. You can give permission to control the mouse and keyboard to another computer. Click on Allow. As you can see, the first computer has remote access to the second computer. In this case, the first computer has full access to the second computer and can run its software and games, change system settings, and fix possible problems. You can also send a message. Click on Chat. Type your message and press Enter. Transfer files between two computers, select the file transfer option and click on Connect. Only logged in users can transfer files. So click on Login. If you haven't registered before, click on Sign Up. Enter the name and email address and click Send. Now type the code that was sent to your email address in this field. Set a password. Click on Sign Up. Click on Connect again. Click on OK. Click on Allow. Now you can transfer files between local device and remote device. Note that in the free plan, the size of each file for transfer can be a maximum of 100 megabytes and the maximum transfer speed is 500 kilobytes per second, while in the professional and enterprise plans, the size of each file for transfer can be a maximum of 1 terabyte and the maximum transfer speed is 10 megabytes per second. You can also access and control PC with more features by installing AnyViewer app for Android and iOS mobile phones. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. Thanks for watching this video.